The immediate aftermath, impact and global consequences. When the asteroid struck the Earth, the initial impact was so powerful that it caused not just local devastation but triggered global events. The impact generated seismic waves that propagated through the Earth's crust, causing massive earthquakes far from the impact site. These earthquakes were so powerful that they triggered volcanic eruptions around the world, releasing additional ash and gases into the atmosphere, further contributing to the already catastrophic conditions. The heat from the impact and the subsequent fires released enormous amounts of carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and other gases into the atmosphere. This led to a significant greenhouse effect, which, in the short term, caused rapid heating of the Earth's surface. However, the ash and soot from the fires, combined with the dust and debris thrown into the atmosphere, created a thick cloud that blocked sunlight. This impact winter caused a dramatic drop in global temperatures, leading to what is often referred to as a nuclear winter scenario. The lack of sunlight halted photosynthesis, leading to the collapse of food chains, especially in the oceans, where phytoplankton, a crucial part of the marine ecosystem, were unable to survive. The mass extinction: who survived and who perished? The mass extinction event that followed was one of the most severe in Earth's history, wiping out approximately 75% of all species. Dinosaurs, which had dominated the planet for over 160 million years, were among the most notable casualties. The extinction was not just limited to large dinosaurs, it also affected a wide range of species, including many marine reptiles, pterosaurs, and a vast number of plant species. However, some species managed to survive, and their survival offers insights into the nature of resilience and adaptability. Small mammals, for instance, were able to survive in part because they were able to take refuge in burrows or other sheltered environments, which protected them from the extreme temperatures and fires. Their small size and relatively simple diet allowed them to subsist on limited food resources, which were scarce during the impact winter. Birds, which are considered the only surviving dinosaurs, also managed to survive. Their ability to fly allowed them to escape to different environments, and their diverse feeding habits enabled them to find food in various ecological niches. Some aquatic animals, like certain species of turtles and crocodiles, also survived by taking refuge in water bodies that were less affected by the immediate impacts of the disaster. The Earth's slow recovery: a new world emerging. After the initial devastation, the Earth's recovery was a slow and gradual process that took millions of years. The first signs of recovery appeared in the oceans, where microscopic organisms like foraminifera began to repopulate the waters within a few years of the impact. These tiny organisms played a crucial role in re-establishing the base of the marine food chain, which eventually led to the recovery of more complex marine ecosystems. On land, ferns were among the first plants to make a comeback. Ferns are hardy plants that can thrive in poor soil conditions, and their spores can spread rapidly. Within a millennium, ferns had recolonized vast areas, creating the first post-impact forests. These fern-dominated landscapes were a stark contrast to the diverse forests that had existed before the impact. As the climate gradually stabilized, other plants began to reappear. Palm trees, which are more resilient to harsh conditions, became dominant, leading to what is known as the palm period. This period was characterized by palm-dominated forests that provided a habitat for the small mammals that had survived the extinction event. The availability of food resources began to increase, allowing these mammals to slowly grow in size and diversify into new species. The evolutionary arms race between plants and animals continued as new plant species emerged that offered more nutritious food sources. The introduction of legumes, which produce beans, was particularly significant as they provided a rich source of protein for mammals. This increase in food availability allowed mammals to grow larger and more diverse, setting the stage for the rise of the mammals as the dominant land animals. Evolutionary implications: the birth of a new era. The extinction of the dinosaurs and the subsequent recovery of the Earth created a unique opportunity for mammals to evolve and diversify. With the dominant predators gone, mammals were able to occupy ecological niches that were previously inaccessible to them. Over the next few million years, mammals evolved rapidly, leading to the emergence of a wide variety of species, from tiny insectivores to large herbivores and carnivores. This period of rapid evolution is known as the mammalian radiation, and it set the stage for the eventual rise of primates and, ultimately, humans. The evolutionary pressures of surviving in a post-apocalyptic world favored traits like intelligence, adaptability, and social behavior, traits that would become increasingly important as mammals continued to evolve. ### The long-term impact, lessons for the future. The asteroid impact that caused the extinction of the dinosaurs serves as a stark reminder of the fragility of life on Earth and the potential for catastrophic events to reshape the planet. While life eventually recovered and even thrived in new forms, the path to recovery was long and fraught with challenges. Today, scientists study this event not only to understand the history of our planet but also to prepare for the possibility of future impacts. The impact event also highlights the role of contingency in evolution. If the asteroid had not struck, dinosaurs might have continued to dominate the planet, and mammals, including humans, might never have had the chance to evolve into the forms we see today. This realization underscores the importance of understanding the factors that drive evolution and the delicate balance that sustains life on Earth. In conclusion, the aftermath of the asteroid impact that ended the age of dinosaurs was a period of both destruction and rebirth. The Earth was transformed, and life was forced to adapt to new and often harsh conditions. Yet, through this adversity, new forms of life emerged, leading to the diverse and complex ecosystems we see today. This story of destruction and renewal is a powerful testament to the resilience of life and a reminder that, even in the face of overwhelming odds, life finds a way to endure and evolve.